Hello, this is Will and Well Armed. We're looking today at the Remington V3 Tac-13. This has a 13-inch barrel. It is a semi-automatic. It holds 5+1, and it's pretty neat. The semi-automatic is only possible because it has two springs up here versus the big spring like the Mossberg has. So this is built off the same platform as the V3 Remington, a full size. And the big difference in why this is possible is because it has the two springs, like I said, where the Mossberg, their semi-automatic has the spring in the stock. So the bird's head is not possible. How this has the barrel port system, and if you're familiar with Remington, the barrel port system is has 8 ports in the chamber, where the Mossberg has the ports on down the barrel. So when you have a longer round, a 3-inch round, it covers up all 8 ports, and when you have a smaller 2 3/4, it covers up 4 ports. So it automatically takes care of the gas based on the size of the mag round, which is a pretty ingenious system. So really it's made for, better made than the Mossberg. And so the Mossberg really couldn't be made into something like this for those 2 reasons. I put on this I think it's the Valder O-Light, and this has the green laser, which is pretty neat. So I can shoot it from my hip and not get the recoil, which I really like. I really like that option for me. Anyway, this the cons is this thing is expensive. So when I got it, it was brand new, and even at Big Daddy, it was about $650. So I think the list price was about $850, where you could get the Mossberg pump action for $399, even during COVID, $350. So it is fun to shoot. It's faster to shoot. There's less to think about. All you got to do is pull the trigger. The Mossberg does hold 1 more round, so that is an option. So all in all, for me, it was a good choice to have a shotgun, short in length. I can shoot from the lap, and has the front grip here. You can mount the flashlight on either side. It does come with a Picatinny rail. You can also put another Picatinny rail back here. You can see the 4 screw holes. They're already threaded, so you could put something, a red dot or a big dot or a small micro dot on the back like people put on shotguns. But anyway, you could just look down the barrel as well. That's what I did when I was originally shooting it in. Take it to the range sometime and shoot it together. This is Will and Well Armed, and have a great day and be prepared.